Hello everyone. Today we will talk about on iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max specifications and price. The iPhone 11 trio will debut on the September 10 with some notable camera upgrades and refined design. Prior to the launch, key specifications of the iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max have surfaced online. Moreover, pricing of the base variant of all three models in Apple's 2019 iPhone lineup has also been leaked. Additionally, it has also been tipped that pre-orders of the iPhone 11 trio will kick off on September 13 and their retail store availability is set to begin on September 20. Now we'll talk about on iPhone 11 specifications and price. The leak, which comes courtesy of a MyDrivers report, states that the iPhone 11 will feature a 6.1-inch LCD display with a resolution of 828 by 1792 pixels and pixel density of 326 ppi. The iPhone 11, which is touched to be the iPhone XR sensor, will miss out the 3D touch and would not have Apple Pencil support either. The phone will be powered by Apple's in-house A13 SoC paired with 4 GB of RAM and will come in 3 storage variants: 64 GB, 256 GB and 512 GB. iPhone 11 will reportedly feature glass build and will come in 2 new colors option that yet to be seen on an iPhone: purple and green. The phone is tipped to feature a 12 megapixel front camera and dual 12 megapixel rear camera. It will offer Face ID for authentication and will rely on Wi-Fi 6 for wireless connectivity. The cheapest phone of the iPhone 11 trio will pack a 3110 mAh battery with support for reverse wireless charging and tipped to carry starting price of $749. The next we will talk about on iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max specification and price. The iPhone 11 Pro, which succeeds the iPhone X, is tipped to pack a 5.8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1125 by 2436 megapixel resolution in pixel density of 458 ppi. The iPhone XS Max sensor tip to be launched as iPhone 11 Pro Max will reportedly feature a 6.5-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1242 by 2688 pixels and a pixel density of 458 ppi. The iPhone 11 Pro Duo will draw power from the A13 chip, taking alongside 6 GB of RAM and will be launched in 3 identical storage variant: 128 GB, 256 GB and 512 GB. Both the iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max miss out on 3D touch, but unlike the iPhone 11, they will come with Apple Pencil support. The two iPhone 11 Pro siblings will feature a 12 megapixel selfie camera by Face ID hardware and triple 12 megapixel sensor on the back, something that has been tipped by case-based renders as well. The iPhone 11 Pro is tipped to pack 3190 mAh battery, while the iPhone 11 Pro Max will come equipped with a 3500 MHz battery, reverse wireless charging, and Wi-Fi 6 support are ministry on both the phones. Talking about expected pricing, the iPhone 11 Pro is tipped to start $999, with the iPhone 11 Pro Max base model will reportedly start $1,099. But unlike the glossy finish on the iPhone 11, the iPhone 11 Pro Duo might front a frosted glass finish akin to the Pixel 3. All three iPhone 11 series devices will feature a USB Type-C port and will come bundled with an 18-watt USB Type-C adapter. A new taptic engine, which is expected to replace the 3D touch feature, might debut on Apple's 2019's iPhone lineup as well. iPhone 11 pre-order dates release date. As per a Mac Rumors report, which cites information received from a tipster working a major carrier, the iPhone 11 series will go up for pre-order all at once on September 13, following their launch on the September 10. The iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max tipped to hit the shelves on September 20. The leaked release date aligns with a previous report that also predicted a September 20 market availability timeline for the iPhone 11 Terrio. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, so please comment me in comment section.